Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you're all fit and fine and enjoying your English lessons. And as you know, this is your English period. You all are requested to take out your new Oxford Modern English Book 3. You know, we are doing unit number 5, Message in a Bottle. So today we are going to do the exercise B2 on page number 47. Let's raise your hands for dua. रब्बी इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा इन्नी अस्अलुका फ़हमन नबिय्यिन व हिफ़्ज़ल मुरसलीनल मुक़र्रबीन आमीन. Yesterday we did exercise B1. Today we are going to do exercise B2. The only difference is that yesterday we added inverted commas, but today along with inverted commas we are going to add full stops, question marks and commas. So at first you have to write down the date. Over here it's 14th December today, day is Tuesday, and then you have to write down CW. So if you remember that we added inverted commas yesterday, and inverted commas are also known as speech marks or quotation marks. And when do we use it? We use it when we copy any direct speech in our writing. And what is direct speech? Whenever we quote or mention or copy the exact words spoken or said by someone. All right, so let's start our work, bete. Exercise 2, part A is we cannot read or write. Can we? Replied Afia quietly. And what is this, beta? This is a simple sentence, negative sentence. We cannot write because there is not in a sentence, so it is a negative sentence. And what is this? Can we? Can we is a small question and it is known as question tag. If you remember, we did this in unit 1, Dorothy meets the scarecrow. And what is a question tag? It is a small question at the end of a sentence. And why do we use it? हम question tag कब use करते हैं? Just for the sake of confirmation, कि हमारी बात confirm हो जाए कि ऐसे ही है. And let me give you a quick review that whenever the sentence is negative, अगर sentence में not है तो question tag में not नहीं होगा. And if the sentence is with not or without not, if the sentence is without not, तो question tag में not होगा. Okay, and how do we make question tag? Just simply by switching their places, subject and the verb. Okay, इनकी places को switch करके नॉट को या तो ऐड करके या रिमूव करके हम क्वेश्चन टैग बना लेते हैं. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट इन अ क्वेश्चन टैग after the sentence is being completed we add comma, and then after the question tag we put question mark. So this is all what Afia replied. Afia ने जो जवाब दिया वो exact words क्या थे? We cannot read or write. Can we? So this all is said by Afia, so it has to be in inverted commas. So inverted commas open over here. Before W we have to put the inverted comma, and then after the question mark we will add the inverted comma again. And then as I told you yesterday, we have to keep the name of the speaker, we have to keep it separate, so it will be separated. And here it is again a comma after Afia. And why? Because in the end they have mentioned the expression, the feelings quietly, aistigi se, so it has to be separated from the name of the speaker. Okay, with the help of the comma, and of course in the last you have to add a period, that is full stop. Now come to part B. Look, Babu, cried the children excitedly. Now cried the children, as you can see the children were crying, they were shouting. So excitedly is an expression, feeling, again it has to be separated, so we have separated it with the help of the comma in the last full stop. And what did the children cry? They cried about Look, Babu. So this name again has to be separated from the rest of the sentence. Again it will be separated by comma, and because it has, this sentence is showing strong feeling that they were very excited and they cried in excitement, so there is an exclamation mark, and after exclamation mark we will put the inverted comma. Okay, Before look on the top, inverted commas open, and then after exclamation mark, inverted comma closed. Part C, there is no school here, said Hassan. So what did Hassan say? Hassan said there is no school here. So of course it has to be inverted commas, and before closing the inverted comma we will separate the name of the speaker with the help of the comma. Okay, so first you will add comma after here, and after comma you will add inverted comma. After Hassan you will add full stop. And what is the next sentence which was delivered by Hassan? How can we learn? As you can see, it is a question beginning from how. So we have to add question mark first and then inverted commas closed. Inverted commas will be open here before H and then closed here after a question mark. And the last I have added by myself just to help you practice that sometimes the speech or the words delivered by someone are being mentioned in the beginning of a sentence, and sometimes the words are mentioned at the end of a sentence. So if the speaker has been mentioned in the beginning, you have to separate it with the help of the comma. So old Babu said, comma, I'll teach you. So before I, you have to add inverted comma, and after you, at first you will put the full stop, and after that you have to close the inverted comma. Okay, so that's all for now. If you have any confusion, you may ask me. Take very good care